we hope that middle-income countries will begin to purchase pandemic insurance, because what it will mean is that since we know what it means to be prepared and not prepared, since we will eventually, we think, have very good ways of measuring preparedness, that premiums will go up and down depending on the level of preparedness of a particular country. And it's going to take time, and the first few times that it releases and people see the benefit of how having financing and a coordinated response earlier, as that becomes clearer and clearer, I think this will develop into a real market. A lot of this money, I presume, a lot of it will go to WHO. The coverage will be sought through the World Bank, and we will issue a pandemic bond. Now, we have a lot of experience with catastrophic bonds, and catastrophic bonds are simply, we go to the insurance markets, and we have done this on behalf of countries. There's a Pacific group, there's a Caribbean group, and what it is people actually put cash into a bond and they get a coupon, they get a certain percentage back every year. But then what happens is if the cat bond has to be dispersed because of a particular catastrophe, they lose that portion of of their own initial investment that was dispersed to respond to the catastrophe. When certain criteria that are based on the size, the severity, and spread of this particular event, once those triggers, which we spend a lot of time getting right, once those triggers are activated, the bond will release. It's not something that you wait until after a pandemic is over and then you pay all the claims. That's not how it works. The whole point of it is to do it as early as possible. And this is something that's really new, certainly new for global health.